Hello, teacher. How are you doing? This is my homework number 4. Student John Jairo Rivera Mendoza. English, that's word 11 1. ID 3416167. Instructor Claudia María de Lesmos Delgado. Evidence video presentation. This is my brother. His name is Juan Carlos Rivera Mendoza. He is 42 years old. His birthday is November 5th. He lives in Villavicencio. He was born in Cubarral, Meta. He is Colombian. He is my hero. He has 3 dogs. He has 2 daughters. He is single. He is a business administrator. He is a self-employed. The name of his company is Genesis. He sells life insurance. He likes going to the movies. He likes traveling. He hates this organization. He hates beer. Thank you. See you later.